Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Credit Karma for credit scores, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in Credit Karma in the search bar. Click on the official Credit Karma website link. If you're new to Credit Karma, locate and click on Get Started. You will need to create an account. Fill in your email address and choose a password. Click on Create Account. You may be asked to confirm your email address. Check your email inbox for the confirmation message. Follow the link in the email to verify your account. Return to the Credit Karma website once your email is verified. Log in with your new credentials. Once logged in, you will see your dashboard. Click on the Credit Scores section. Here, you'll find your credit scores from TransUnion and Equifax. Take a moment to review your scores. Check the factors that are affecting your credit score. These can include payment history, credit utilization, and length of credit history. Scroll down to see your credit report overview. You can review additional details regarding your credit accounts. If you want to improve your score, look at the personalized recommendations Credit Karma offers. Make note of any action items they suggest. You can also access free credit monitoring tools. This will allow you to track changes to your credit score over time. To keep up with your progress, log in regularly. Consider using the mobile app for easier access on the go. Take advantage of the educational resources available on the site. These resources can help you understand credit scores and reports better. Start managing your credit wisely with the information gathered. Utilize Credit Karma's tools to stay on top of your financial health. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.